2.4 million cells die in you every second, that's 200,000 cells per minute. Your body is a war zone, with cells constantly being born and dying. You lose about 2% of your cells daily, which may not seem like a lot, but consider this, that's around 40 million cells per day. For instance, if you weigh around 150 pounds, you're made up of approximately 37.2 trillion cells, so 2% is a significant number. It's a natural process, essential for your survival. But what happens to the dead cells? They don't just disappear. Your body has a way to recycle them, a process called apoptosis. You're a walking recycling machine, with your cells being recycled right now. Interestingly, did you know that the longest cell in your body is the nerve cell, with some stretching up to 3 feet long? Your body's ability to recycle dead cells is crucial, as it helps maintain tissue homeostasis and prevents damage. Think about it, your body is constantly renewing itself, and this process is happening at an incredible rate, with your cells being born, living, and dying in a matter of seconds. Meet the lysosome, a tiny but mighty organelle that's like a cellular garbage truck, collecting and breaking down waste. Your cells use it to recycle damaged or dysfunctional components, a simple yet powerful process. Imagine a tiny vacuum cleaner inside your cells, constantly working to keep them clean and healthy. You have millions of them working for you right now. For instance, in a single liver cell, there are around 300 lysosomes, each measuring about 0.2 to 0.8 micrometers in diameter. They're incredibly efficient, with some studies showing that a single lysosome can break down and recycle up to 50% of a cell's waste. Surprisingly, lysosomes also play a crucial role in fighting off infections, with some research suggesting that they can even engulf and destroy certain types of bacteria. You might be amazed to know that lysosomes are also involved in the process of cellular aging, with dysfunctional lysosomes contributing to the accumulation of cellular waste and damage over time. As you go about your day, remember that these tiny cellular cleaners are hard at work, keeping your cells running smoothly and efficiently. They're a vital part of what keeps you alive and healthy. ATG7 is a protein that helps initiate autophagy. It's like a switch that turns on the recycling process. LC3 is another protein that helps form the autophagosome, a container that holds the waste. Your cells use these proteins to recycle and cleanse themselves. You're made up of trillions of cells working together, each one has its own recycling system. For instance, when you exercise, your muscle cells can recycle damaged mitochondria, with studies showing that after just 30 minutes of exercise, the levels of autophagy-related proteins increase by up to 50%. It's a vital process that keeps you healthy. Surprisingly, autophagy also plays a role in preventing cancer, with research suggesting that it can help remove damaged cellular components that could otherwise lead to tumor growth. You might be interested to know that Yoshinori Ohsumi, a Japanese cell biologist, was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 2016 for his discoveries related to autophagy. His work has greatly advanced our understanding of this complex process, and has opened up new avenues for the development of treatments for various diseases. As you go about your day, your cells are constantly recycling and renewing themselves. It's a remarkable process that's essential for your overall health. Your stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve a nail. But it's not the strongest substance in your body. That title belongs to the lysosomal enzymes. They can break down almost anything, from proteins to fats, and even the toughest cellular components. It's like having a tiny furnace inside your cells, burning away waste and damaged materials. You have 300 million lysosomes working for you right now. For instance, in the case of a disease like Tay-Sachs, lysosomal enzymes play a crucial role in breaking down fatty substances that can be toxic to cells. Without these enzymes, the disease can be devastating, as seen in the case of Danielle Davis, who was diagnosed with the disease at just 6 months old and sadly passed away at the age of 2. Surprisingly, lysosomes can even break down some types of plastics, which is an area of ongoing research. You might be amazed to know that lysosomes are so powerful that they can recycle up to half of your cell's proteins every single day. This process is essential for maintaining cellular health and preventing disease. As you go about your day, remember that these tiny furnaces are hard at work, keeping your cells running smoothly. You're reading this right now, and simultaneously, your cells are recycling and cleansing themselves. It's a fascinating process that's happening in real time. For instance, when you exercise, you're not just burning calories, you're also stimulating autophagy. Take the example of a study on marathon runners, where researchers found that after a 24-hour run, the athlete's cells showed a significant increase in autophagic activity, with some cells recycling up to 30% of their damaged components. You're not just a passive observer in this process, you're an active participant. Your lifestyle choices, from diet to sleep, all play a crucial role in affecting the autophagy process. Interestingly, did you know that fasting can also trigger autophagy, with some research suggesting that even a 12-hour fast can stimulate cellular recycling? You can boost or hinder the recycling process with your daily decisions. The choice is yours, and it's a powerful one. What will you do next? Will you make choices that support your cellular health, or will you hinder it? The good news is that it's never too late to make a change and support your body's natural recycling process. You might be surprised to learn that autophagy plays a crucial role in cellular renewal, not just waste removal. It's a process that allows your cells to rebuild and rejuvenate themselves, essentially giving them a new lease on life. For instance, a study on mice found that when they were subjected to calorie restriction, their cells underwent autophagy, which led to a significant increase in their lifespan. We're talking up to 30% longer. That's like adding an extra 20 years to a human lifespan. It's like a cellular rebirth, where the old and damaged components are recycled and replaced with new ones. You're not just maintaining your cells, you're upgrading them. This process is essential for maintaining cellular health, and it's not just limited to cells, it can even affect entire organs. Interestingly, autophagy has been linked to the regeneration of liver tissue, with some studies showing that it can help repair damaged liver cells in as little as 24 hours. The myth that autophagy is only for waste removal is just that, a myth. As you learn more about autophagy, you'll discover that it's a complex process that's still not fully understood, but one thing is clear, it's a powerful tool for cellular renewal. In 2016, Yoshinori Ohsumi won the Nobel Prize for his groundbreaking work on autophagy. He discovered that autophagy is not just a cellular process, but a vital mechanism that plays a crucial role in disease prevention. Your cells use autophagy to fight off infections and diseases. It's like having a tiny army inside your cells, working tirelessly to keep you healthy. For instance, research has shown that autophagy can help prevent the onset of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. In fact, a study published in the journal Nature found that autophagy can reduce the risk of Parkinson's disease by up to 30%. You're not just a host for your cells, you're a partner in their survival. Interestingly, did you know that autophagy also plays a role in the benefits of fasting and calorie restriction? It's a surprising fact that has led some researchers to explore the potential of autophagy-inducing therapies. As you go about your day, your cells are constantly working to maintain homeostasis, and autophagy is a key player in this process. By understanding how autophagy works, you can take steps to support your cellular health and well-being. You're a walking recycling machine, constantly breaking down and rebuilding your cells. This process is crucial for maintaining your overall health. For instance, did you know that the human liver regenerates itself every 300 days? It's like getting a brand new liver every year. Your body is dynamic, always changing, always adapting. You're not just a collection of cells, you're a complex system that's capable of amazing things. When you exercise, you're not just burning calories, you're also stimulating autophagy. This natural process helps your body get rid of damaged cells and replace them with new ones. Surprisingly, research has shown that even short periods of fasting can boost autophagy, with one study finding that a 24-hour fast can increase autophagy by up to 30%. So, what will you do tomorrow to give your body a boost? Will you start with a short jog or a healthy meal? The choice is yours, and the possibilities are endless. You have the power to take control of your health and make positive changes. By making small adjustments to your daily routine, you can improve your overall well-being and increase your energy levels.